Today I'm gonna do my everyday makeup routine, and I feel like I haven't done a beauty video in a while, but actually a few weeks ago I just did my skincare routine for this year. Mostly I've been doing a lot of lifestyle videos, like I talk about my planner, let's get personal, or like a get to know me, and I've been doing vlogs as well. I do miss making makeup videos. Being real with you guys, honestly, I feel like I just find it so hard to film makeup videos sometimes because you need kind of the perfect lighting, you need total silence when you do narrations and everything. I don't like doing voiceovers, so I'd rather do talk through videos. So every year I usually switch up my makeup routine, or sometimes not even every year. It really depends on my mood or the season. Like when it's summer, I usually use a lot more powder-based products because it just feels a lot more lightweight on my skin. But these days the weather hasn't been too bad anyway, so I like to use a variety of liquid and cream products. So let's get started.
My brothers, one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that.
First thing I'm gonna do is to prime my face, and this is gonna help let the makeup last longer. So I'm going to use the Ellana Mineral Cosmetics Blur and Oil Control Makeup Primer. I think I have oily skin, and when I had a skin analysis at the Kiehl's store, they said that I have combination skin type. Combination skin is basically you oil up on some parts of your face and then you have dry patches on the other areas. For me, I noticed that my forehead and my nose tends to get the oiliest. And then in the summertime, I noticed that my cheeks, mainly this area right here, tends to get the driest. I just moisturize my lips with the DHC Lip Cream. This is a lip balm that I got when I was in Tokyo last year. Next thing I'm gonna do is, I don't really wear foundation that much anymore. I just rely on my concealer, and this is a very good concealer. This is the Loreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I am in the shade Cashew or 311. I think that if you don't really have to conceal a lot, this baby is gonna work really well for you. Because it's already full coverage, I just need this and it goes on the whole day. I have some acne scars here and a bit here too. I have a pimple right now. Do you guys see that? It covers up the blemishes pretty well. It kind of covered up the pimple, but since it's so bumpy right now, can't really do anything about it. I mean, everybody gets pimples, and so it's really nothing that you should be totally ashamed of. It makes me feel a little bit bad though, because having pimples makes me feel like I haven't been taking care of myself. Probably I've been super stressed, or I haven't been eating well. In my case, I've been drinking a lot of whole milk lately. I noticed that dairy really makes me break out. It's almost like I've already worn foundation. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my brows, and I don't really use a brow pencil anymore. What I do like to use is a brow mascara, and this is from the brand Coffret. I got this from my trip to Tokyo last year as well. I think this is a sister company of the brand Kanibo or yung Kate Tokyo. It's not really pretty to look at. This is the only effective product, and this is so far the only shade of brown that actually works well for my hair color right now. So when the time comes that I finally run out of this brow product, I'm gonna be in so much trouble. I have to bring the mirror closer because I tend to go very heavy-handed with this product, and you're not supposed to. Gosh, I hope to God bantay siya. I'm actually super due to get a facial already, and I can see it close up how this area is so dirty, and it's also probably why I've been breaking out. And a lot of people do recommend that you should get a facial every month to have a really deep clean of your skin. Unfortunately for me, I'm kind of on a tight budget for this month because ang dami ko talagang ginastos for the wedding and other stuff. So I think kailangan ko magtiis and do a little bit of self-cleaning. Probably do like a face scrub or exfoliate. Use the calcium bentonite clay. So I really need to make time for that. After doing my brows, I like to take my BYS Contour Trio. I feel like this palette already expired on me. I don't really keep track anymore of some of the products that I have, and I know that's really bad, but but let's be honest, I mean, who keeps track of when their products actually expire? I'm just putting the highlighter shade on the areas that I oil up. So my eyes, because I will be applying mascara and eyeliner later. A little bit on my nose to highlight. And then my chin, because it tends to get super shiny. After that, I'm gonna get a brown eyeliner, and this is a gel type of eyeliner. It's from the brand Yadah. Korean makeup brands always make the best eyeliner. And then next to them is probably Makeup Forever when it comes to the pencils. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to line my eyes, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of a wing just to emphasize the shape of my eyes. Make it super duper dark because I just want to emphasize the shape of my eyes, and I usually wear this makeup look for the daytime when I go to work or when I just have meetings or when I go to the mall. So I don't want this to look too heavy. And the other side. It's honestly harder to line your eyes with a gel eyeliner. I don't know how some people do it, I swear. It's so hard to do it on camera. After lining my eyes, I'm gonna put on mascara. And I'm gonna curl my lashes first using everybody's favorite Eumura eyelash curler. Then I'm gonna put on mascara, and I'm gonna use Fashion 21's Double Up Mascara. This is legit my favorite mascara. And pair this with the Loreal Lash Paradise. Super good. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to put on blush. And today I'm feeling something peachy, so I'm gonna use Happy Skin's Color Play Multi Mousse, and this is in the shade. The thing is, I don't know what shade this is, because the thing about the Happy Skin mousse is a lot of products usually have the name of the shade at the back, but in this case it really doesn't. I'm going to try to find out what shade this is, and I'm just gonna put it in the comment section down below. Sorry guys. I get a lot of compliments when I use this product because it just looks super sun-kissed and natural, kind of like a healthy glow. I love using my cream blush from Ellana Cosmetics, and it's a very gorgeous sangria-like shade. But today we're gonna try to go with this one. It's super duper pigmented, so I usually start with just a small amount and then dab it like that. A little bit super goes a long way. That's one thing I really love about this product. Sobrang pigmented niya. I don't like this brush, so let's try this one. Okay, let's just use our fingers. Put a little bit on my lips. Whatever is on my cheeks is usually what I put on my lips anyway. I feel like the rest of my face is just a little bit too white, so I'm gonna take my BYS Contour Trio again, and I'm just going to warm up my face a little bit. Konting-konti lang naman. Parang it's better. And then for the last step, I'm just gonna set everything together so that my makeup doesn't fade. I'm gonna use this Kose Make Keep Mist, which is another product that I got from Japan. I'm still on the lookout for the best setting spray. For me pa rin, the #1 contender is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray, because that product just makes your makeup last so darn long. I don't see a lot of it in the Philippines though. The last time I got it was from the US, and that was a long time ago. So can you imagine, since then wala pa ako nakikitang magandang makeup setting spray. So if you have any suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section down below. Fix my hair. I didn't wash my hair today, but to be honest, ever since I skipped washing my hair every day, my hair has been less dry. So medyo tiis-tiis lang ako sa pag-oil niya. I do like the clip though. Let's keep it like that. There, cute! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, because I try to upload every single Saturday. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hated